Welcome back to ModestMoney.com's YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered how to hit your retirement goals without the hefty fees of a financial advisor? Stick around because I have some insights that might just be the game changer you're looking for. New Retirement is a comprehensive tool that helps you plan for retirement by considering taxes, income, real estate, debt, goals, and medical expenses. Whether you're a DIY planner or looking for a comprehensive tool to guide you, New Retirement offers solutions to meet your needs. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, keep watching my New Retirement review and see what it has to offer, and see if it's the right fit for you. And before I forget, if you do decide New Retirement is the tool you need, click the link in the description for a 14-day free trial of PlannerPlus. So, I want to start our exploration of New Retirement with a little background information. Founded in 2005 by Stephen and Tim Chen, New Retirement aims to provide trustworthy and affordable resources for planning for retirement. The idea was born when Stephen's mom needed retirement help, but a financial advisor was too expensive and didn't offer the comprehensive tools she needed. Stephen decided to develop New Retirement to offer holistic long-term planning, covering everything from Social Security benefits to medical expenses and retirement goals. The vision behind New Retirement was to make retirement planning accessible to everyone, ensuring a comfortable retirement without the hefty fees of traditional financial advisors. With New Retirement, you get a complete picture of your financial planning needs, from monthly expenses to Roth conversion strategies, all in one user-friendly platform. Let me tell you, this simple idea by the founders has really caught on. New Retirement is used by millions of individuals and deployed through business partners like Nationwide, MarketWatch, and others. The platform boasts impressive stats. 85% of users feel more confident about their money. Over 300,000 individuals have built complete financial plans, and individuals are managing plans with over $300 billion in assets. So, what does New Retirement offer that has equated to so many satisfied users? New Retirement offers a wide range of features that I believe truly set it apart from other online retirement planners. One feature I find incredibly powerful is the ability to run various scenarios. Playing with what-ifs can help you see where you can optimize your planning. Want to move to Ecuador? Thinking about a Roth conversion? You can test countless scenarios and make informed decisions. Another standout feature is real-time monitoring. You can easily track your net worth and see where you stand on your way to retirement. This real-time insight helps you stay on track with your retirement goals. New Retirement also offers a ton of resources, including coaching, classes, and groups. If you upgrade to PlannerPlus Academy, you get access to a full range of retirement planning classes, which is a great way to dive deep into planning for retirement. Visual learners will love the visualizations and analytics provided by New Retirement. From Monte Carlo analysis to asset allocation and investment returns, the platform offers comprehensive tools to help you visualize your financial future. The robo-advising feature offers personalized recommendations, signaling potential errors and optimization opportunities. To me, it's like having a financial advisor in your pocket. I also like the fact you get access to several calculators, including a Roth conversion calculator and a lifetime annuity calculator. These tools are essential for anyone serious about planning for a comfortable retirement. Customer support is another area where New Retirement shines. They offer email support, a live chat feature, and weekly office hours video sessions where you can ask questions about the platform. I have to say, this is a breath of fresh air and something I do not take for granted. Far too many times I have questions and can't find the answer, or am unable to get in touch with a human representative. New Retirement isn't just about the numbers. It's about providing a comprehensive picture of your retirement, covering everything from income streams to tax implications and Social Security benefits. This holistic approach ensures that you have all the tools you need for a successful retirement. So, by now you should realize that New Retirement has a lot to offer. But what about the cost? This is the next logical question, and the same one that I had when I started my exploration into the best retirement planning tool. Like many tools these days, they offer plans tailored to various needs and budgets, ensuring you get the most out of your retirement planning journey. First up, the basic plan. It's free and better than a simple retirement calculator, giving you the ability to build a personalized financial plan, get reliable planning answers, and explore various what-if scenarios. The Planner Plus plan, priced at $120 per year, unlocks the full power of planning with more inputs and insights. This plan includes linking accounts, exploring Roth conversions, detailed tax projections, and comparing multiple scenarios side by side. With over 36 detailed charts, Monte Carlo analysis, and personalized digital coach suggestions, it truly is a comprehensive tool for those serious about planning for retirement. And guess what? You can try it out with a 14-day free trial by using the link in the description. Lastly, for those seeking expert guidance, there's the New Retirement Advisors Plan. At an average cost of $1,650, you get access to certified financial planner professionals for holistic planning, asset allocation reviews, Roth conversion strategies, and more. This plan ensures you get the personalized advice you need. Each plan is designed to provide a level of service that helps you achieve your retirement goals and gain financial independence. So whether you're just starting out or looking for expert guidance, New Retirement has a plan for you. Now that I have covered some background information, the features and pricing, the last thing to discuss is security. I don't trust my financial information to just anyone, and I'm sure you are the same. So, let's dive into how New Retirement ensures your data stays secure. New Retirement takes security seriously. They use bank-level encryption for data in transit and at rest. This means your information is coded, so even if a cyber criminal intercepted it, they wouldn't be able to decipher it. On top of that, they have stringent cybersecurity practices in place. Regularly updated firewalls and continuous system monitoring are standard here to detect and prevent unauthorized access. When it comes to privacy, New Retirement is committed to protecting your personal information. They do not sell or share your data without your explicit consent. They even allow users to anonymize their data, so you don't have to provide your real name or address if you prefer not to. I don't know about you, but knowing that New Retirement has these security measures in place gives me peace of mind and confidence in using their platform for my retirement planning needs. All right, I have covered the basics, so let's wrap up this review of New Retirement. By now, it's clear to me that New Retirement is truly an amazing tool for anyone serious about planning for retirement. From running detailed scenarios to real-time net worth tracking, it offers features that set it apart. Whether you're just starting your retirement planning journey or looking for advanced tools and expert advice, New Retirement has something to offer. Their affordable plans and comprehensive features make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to secure their financial future. For an even deeper dive into the features, a link to my in-depth article can be found in the description, along with a link for your 14-day free trial of PlannerPlus. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and financial tips. See you next time on Modest Money.